This is just going to be a quick unboxing video of the Uposture necklace. And what this is for, it's for helping you keep correct posture. Uposture smart necklace, you can see on the model on the back, UPB1. The battery capacity is 80 mAh and it's made from ABS materials. So let's open this up. This is like one of those devices that's just a small device, but can be pretty useful. And let's get the instructions. Of course, there's always instructions. So this is what you're getting basically. You're getting the instruction manual, which kind of explains how it works and how you use it. And then you get your charging cord. This is a nice cord. It's like a braided, actually that's probably the necklace. That's what that is. This is a braided cloth material cord for the necklace itself, I believe. And then this is the charging cord, USB on one side. The other side is, I think it's a little magnetic 2-prong charger. And then this is the device itself. And I think that's it. I think that's everything. Let's take the plastic protective cover off. And this is it. Yeah, you've got those 2 little prongs on the back there, which is what the charger is going to go to. And yeah, it is magnetic, so you can see it immediately goes on there. So it's not, you don't have to fiddle and try to figure out how to get it on there and make it go right. It just goes right on there the way it's supposed to. So that's great. And you've got this cord, so that's how you charge it. And then you've got your necklace, and this is, there we go. So you've got a little button here so that pops out, and then you thread that through there, and you wear this around your neck, and it lets you know if your posture, anytime you start to slouch. But you can set it however you want it to be. It's not one thing for everyone. You set it how sensitive you want it to be. So if you're slouching for, everyone slouches every now and again for just because of your body movement. So you set it for like if it detects that you've been slouching for say 5 minutes, then it makes, I think it makes a buzzes or makes a beeping noise. Of course, I will cover all that in a future review demo video, but this is just an unboxing. Let's see what comes in the box. And that's it. You get the necklace with the device, you get the charging cord, and you get the instruction manual. And that is what comes in the box. So that's going to be it for this unboxing. If you like this video, click that like button. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel to keep up with all my videos, and stay tuned for other product reviews. And yeah, until next time, have a great day.